Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to unbox this Sony ECM-B10. Now this video is being recorded and I've used for a couple of years for all of these camera manuals. A Sony ECM-B10M. This being a little bit smaller than the B1M, this is going to be the microphone that I use in the field. I only have it because it came for free with the Sony A7 IV. So why not? And inside we have some manuals. There we go. So different manuals explaining how to do the different things with it. Wind sock. Nice carrying pouch. And then here we have the actual microphone itself. It has the exact same control interface as the B1M for those of you who are familiar with it. It also has this protector right there, so we'll just loosen up the hot shoe and now we can take the protector off and you can see the hot shoe contacts. Gonna slide the wind sock on. It's gonna work this time. I can feel it, and it did. Okay, and there we have the microphone with the wind sock.